Every single home decor store is selling you the exact same thing. Walk into any store, any city, any country, and you'll see the same throw pillow, the same boho wall hanging, the same beige blanket folded on the same gray couch. It's like the whole world got together and agreed that every home should look like a hotel lobby. And somewhere along the way, we all just accepted it. We stopped asking if we actually liked these things. We just bought them because that's what was there. But here's the thing nobody tells you. There's a way to fill your home with things that actually feel like you, that cost way less than you think, and that people can't stop asking you about when they walk in. And it all starts with something most people think is old-fashioned, something you might have seen your grandma doing on the couch. I'm talking about crochet. And by the end of this video, you're going to look at your living room completely differently. So let's talk about the actual problem first, because I think a lot of people don't even realize this is a problem until they see it laid out. Most home decor today is made to be forgettable. It's made in bulk in a factory thousands of miles away by a machine that doesn't know or care what your home looks like. It's designed to be safe. Safe colors, safe shapes, safe patterns that won't offend anyone, but also won't make anyone feel anything. You buy it, you put it on your shelf, and within a month, it just blends into the background. It becomes invisible. And worse than that, when you go to your friend's house or your cousin's house or scroll through decor accounts online, you start seeing the exact same pieces, the exact same vase, the exact same abstract print. It's not that these things are ugly, it's that they're everywhere. And when something is everywhere, it stops meaning anything. There's also the cost side of it. A decent wall hanging from a home store can run you $30, $40, sometimes over $100, and it's made from cheap material that won't last more than a couple of years before it starts falling apart or looking dusty and tired. You're paying a premium for something that has zero connection to you, made by someone who has never seen your home and never will. And I think the last piece of this problem is the saddest one. A lot of people want their home to feel warm. They want it to feel lived in, personal, like a place that tells a story. But when everything in your home came from the same 3 stores everyone else shops at, there's no story there. There's nothing to tell. Someone walks in, looks around, and says, "Nice place." And that's it. Nothing sticks, nothing's remembered. So what's the alternative? This is where it gets fun. Crochet home decor is one of the most underrated things you can bring into your space, and I want to walk you through exactly why, because once you see the range of what's possible, you're going to understand why this has quietly become one of the biggest shifts in how people are decorating their homes. Let's start simple. Coasters. This sounds like nothing, right? But a set of handmade crochet coasters in colors that actually match your kitchen or your coffee table cost almost nothing to make and takes maybe 20 minutes each once you know the pattern. And when guests come over and use them, they always ask where you got them. Always. Because they've never seen coasters like that in a store. Then you've got plant hangers. If you have literally any plant in your house, a crochet plant hanger changes the entire feel of that corner of the room. Instead of a plain pot sitting on a shelf, you've got this soft, textured hanger cradling it, swinging just slightly, catching the light in a totally different way than plastic or ceramic ever could. It brings a kind of movement and warmth into a room that store-bought stuff just can't touch. Baskets are another huge one. Crochet baskets can hold blankets, magazines, kids' toys, yarn itself if you're getting into the hobby, and they look completely different depending on the yarn you use. A chunky wool basket gives you this cozy, cabin-in-the-woods kind of feel. A thinner cotton yarn in white or cream gives you something clean and almost coastal. Same basic shape, completely different personality, all depending on your choices. And then there's the big ones. Wall hangings, blankets, rugs. These are the showstoppers. A crochet wall hanging can become the actual focal point of a room, something people stop and look at, something that starts a conversation. A handmade blanket draped over a couch does more for that room than any store-bought throw ever could, because it's got texture, it's got depth, and honestly, it's got a bit of imperfection in it that makes it feel real instead of manufactured. And that word, imperfection, is actually the key to all of this. This is the part I really want you to understand, because it's the difference between decor that feels alive and decor that feels dead. When something is made by a machine, every single stitch, every single line, every single shape is identical. It's perfect in the most boring way possible. But when something is made by hand, there are tiny variations. A stitch that's slightly tighter here, a color change that lands in a slightly different spot there. And weirdly, that's exactly what makes it feel warm. That's what makes it feel human. Our brains are wired to notice and actually appreciate that kind of small imperfection because it tells us a person made this, a real person with real hands, spent real time on this thing sitting in our home. And that's something a factory can never replicate, no matter how advanced the machine gets. Now, here's the moment that really changed how I think about all of this, and I think it'll change how you think about it too. Picture a room that used to be plain, bare walls, a couch with one flat pillow, a single lamp in the corner. Nothing wrong with it exactly, just nothing memorable about it either. Now picture that same room, but with one crochet wall hanging behind the couch, a couple of chunky pillow covers, a plant hanging in the corner instead of sitting there, and a soft blanket draped over the armrest. Same room, same walls, same furniture, but it feels like a completely different space. It feels like someone lives there, someone with taste, someone who actually cares about the place they come home to every day. And here's the part that gets people every time. The materials for that entire transformation, the wall hanging, the pillow covers, the plant hanger, the blanket, probably cost less than one single throw pillow from a big box store. Less money, more character, and something nobody else on the planet has in their living room because you made it, or you found it from someone who made it by hand instead of a factory. And this is also why handmade crochet has been showing up more and more from small creators and small shops, because people are genuinely tired of their homes looking like everyone else's home. They want something that feels intentional. They want to walk into their own living room and feel something instead of just seeing furniture. And if you're someone who's thinking, okay, but I can't make any of this myself, that's actually the best part of all of this. Crochet is one of the most beginner-friendly crafts that exists. A basic stitch takes maybe 10 minutes to learn. You don't need expensive tools, you need a hook, some yarn, and a bit of patience for your first few tries. Your very first coaster might look a little wonky, and that's completely fine. Because remember what we just talked about, the slight imperfection is the whole point. Nobody's first coaster needs to be perfect, it just needs to be yours. And if making it yourself isn't something you're interested in, that's fine too. There are so many small makers out there selling handmade crochet pieces, and buying from them means you're supporting an actual person instead of a factory, while still getting something one of a kind for your home. So let's bring this all together. Your home doesn't have to look like a hotel lobby. It doesn't have to look like everyone else's home just because that's what's easy to buy. There's a whole world of crochet home decor, from tiny coasters to full wall hangings that cost less, lasts longer in terms of meaning, even if not always in material, and brings actual warmth and personality